Hi guys, Lina here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my breakfast recipe. Like, this breakfast option is one I love so much, and it's for my oatmeal. So you can see I already showed you the oats which I'm using, and this dried fruit is also something I also include in my oatmeal, and apples, banana, and of course chia seed and flaxseed. That's chia seed there, while this one right here is the flaxseed. So before we get into this video, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please support me by clicking on the subscribe button just right below. Also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my uploads. So let's get right into cooking these oats. So I already added a small part to my gas cooker with some clean water in it, and I poured in my oats into the pot. You can see the quantity of the oats which I added in, it's a lot, so it's going to be very thick. So what I would then do is, after I've just stirred in the oats in the water while it's still trying to boil, I'm going to let it cook for a bit and then add more water. There's no perfect way. There's no one rule when it comes to cooking that okay, you have to let your water boil first before you do this or do that. Just do whatever works for you. You can choose to put your oats in a bowl, add water to it and cook it in your microwave. Whatever you want to do, so long as it comes out looking nice and you enjoy your food, that's just all that matters. So you can see how the oat looks now. It's been well cooked. I already added water to it to make it sort of lighter, but it's still very thick. But I think I'm just gonna work with it as it is. Yeah, I'm not going to add any more water because I don't want it to be runny. So now what I'll be doing now is chopping my fruits. I'm going to start by slicing my apples. You can see what I'm doing. I'm literally using two colors of apples. That's the red apple and the green apple. And the reason why I use these two colors of apple is just to make the bowl very attractive, make the oatmeal more beautiful. So I'm just going to slice the apples, like you can see how I cut it in the middle, and I'm just dicing it on the sides, and I'll just chop it in small slices to get it to be evenly cut, and I'll repeat same for the entire apples. I'm working with just 3 apples in this video. Just cut through it, turn it around and start to slice it. Yes, whatever method, if you have a method of cutting your apples that makes it come out looking more attractive, please work with that. But for me, this is how I cut my apples when I want to eat my apples with oats. If you have a better method, please use your method. So next, I'm just peeling off my banana. I'm going to peel off the back from the 2 bananas before I chop it off. Yes. And take note, for my oatmeal recipe, I don't even bother adding milk. I don't add milk to my oats. But if you feel like you want to add milk to your oats, please go ahead and do so. I feel like the fruits I add are already a lot, so I don't need to add milk again. Because another thing is, oats on its own has milk, because people tend to use oats, to extract milk from oats. That's why you see things like oat milk. So I don't bother adding milk. But if you want to add milk, please go ahead and do so. If you want to add yogurt to your oatmeal, please do so. It's going to be more creamy and enjoyable. So I already added in like 4 spoons of the oatmeal to each of the plates, and next I'm adding in my apples. I'm just taking like a handful and just spreading it all around the plate. Yeah, that's what I'm doing, and I'm going to do the same thing for the entire oat bowl. Just put the apples on top of the oats, repeat same for the entire thing. Then next, what I'm going to do is just add my bananas to the plate. Just pouring it in. Yeah, breakfast is almost ready, and this is a very healthy breakfast option. So if you haven't tried your oatmeal this way, please make sure you try it out. And it's time to add our dry fruits. So I'm just pouring in the dry fruits all over the place. There's no particular method in which I'm using. I don't count the dried fruits which I use. I just spread it on top, just to ensure that at least with every spoon of oats I take, at least I get 1 piece of dry fruit. Yeah, you can see how it looks. Now it's time for our chia seed, and I'm just sprinkling that chia seed just on top of the oatmeal bowl, and I'm going to repeat the same for the entire bowls of the oats. Then next, flaxseed. I'm just adding a flaxseed to the up part of the oatmeal. You can just use just a teaspoon of the flaxseed. So this is how it looks. It's beautiful, it's healthy. Wow, can't wait to eat this. It's so beautiful and it's a very healthy breakfast option. If you've never tried this before, please make sure you try it and please subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys. Purchase our limited edition makeup product from our website www.enlbeautyng.com.